Hey everybody, Jim King out here in Kansas City. This is our big residential project that we got going on here. We got 9 King Pier 1s, and I want to show everybody, it's kind of dark, everything we do is about safety, everything. Success wouldn't be success if somebody got hurt every time we did something, so we always stress safety, shore up our holes. But if you look down here, that chunk of dirt underneath that steel plate is now ready to be chiseled out safely, because there's a steel plate underneath that to allow us to do it safely. And we've got the walls all shored up here. Everything is going just as planned. Once we get the stone wall here straight and stabilized and raised back to where it should be, this brick's all going to come off here, and we're going to clean the brick up, save as much of the brick as we can, and clean it up, wire brush it, chisel off all the old mortar, and re-brick this whole side here. And that way, when we come back here and look at one end to the other, it's going to look vertically level. It'll be stable, level, totally restored. Not an easy project. Here's a good look at another hole. A little bit more light. The steel plate, that dirt in between those, underneath the steel plate is ready to come out, and this is ready for the first pour of 3-foot high strength concrete. So stay tuned as we progress here. King Piers out here in Kansas City. We just picked up another project down the street at an apartment complex that some St. Louis contractors came in and gave us a call, and they had an engineer draw up the plans on this. And when me and my son went and looked at it, we knew that the engineers in St. Louis would not be familiar with the King Pier system and the methodology. So we shot a video, sent it to the engineer, who I don't think even took a look at it, sent it to the owner and the general contractor, and by and behold, long story short, they canceled the contract with the engineer, not going to go with their drawings, but they're going with the King Piers methodology. It makes sense, it's the safest way to go, and so stay tuned for that project. We're going to start that here pretty quick. So for all your foundation piering needs, if your walls are leaning in or out, stone foundation, block foundation, or concrete, we can totally stabilize, restore, and make your home King Pier strong. Give us a call, 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook. Last but not least, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe on YouTube. Thank you.